Yeah, man, this is just a small voice over from you hear the voice, you don't know, say, a Bones there represent for Sandy and Bones Stevie, and you don't know. Queenie go look for her daughter grave today, and you don't know she there and come back live and then make something, and the youth I say, the pastor man when cuss out the lady such time and them something, so most people never know him face, so him coming forward now. Say, you don't know him just have some words I say to Queenie, but you don't know me feel like I'm facing one for show, you know, for you don't know everybody want to get famous. So if you know around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload to get it right as it drop. You see? I was going to hear what I say to Queenie right now, you see?
Ha. All Uda and Spanish Town Freddy love them about. So what happened? Oh, BK, the thinner. What's up? Good evening. Crazy, what happened? Talk to me, no, man. I see me come look for no. Come look back for me, no, man. Come rush me, no. Hey! Come rush me, no. Hey, touch a button, no. Hey! Who this I say add them? Okay, I'm going to try and add you. Hey, man, what happened?
Hi, Queenie. How are you?
I'm fine.
The Queen is in the house.
The Queen is here. The Queen is here. I have no fear. What's up?
The,
Where you
the
calling
Queen is here
from?
to stay. I'm calling from New York. But you know, one of the
Okay.
things that I've been watching you for a while,
Yeah.
and one of the things that I admire about you, I want to say to you this evening, you have a personality to die for. You have
Witness,
a
sir.
personality to die for.
Nice.
Hi,
And
Queenie.
How are your name? Hey, lady, don't move.
and
What?
and you are so motivated. And one of the things that I take from you is that nothing gets you down. Continue to have that drive, and life itself can manage you. Have a good one.
How are your name? Malika, that sound.
My name JR.
JR.
Yeah.
Blessed of JR. What am I saying? Them
Bless
soon
up.
come to your don't move. So, JR, you've been watching me for quite some time.
Yeah, I've been watching it for quite some time. One of the things too, I want to say, I think people, there are a lot of time when I see you put up things, emotional stuff, and I mean, some of the people them love the ray and the excitement, but you always, out of all your story, there is a lesson to learn from all of it. And I
That's
and
a
I'm
fact.
and I'm
That
hoping,
is fact.
I'm
Yeah.
hoping, I'm trusting, because some our culture is one of that people prey on negativity, but never expand on
True.
positivity. And one other thing, even though you come with a joke them sometimes, there's always a positive to everything that you do.
Amen.
And you can
Amen. Thank
sometimes I listen
you.
to you, sometimes I listen to you, and I'm in a dark time, you lift me up, girl.
Amen.
Continue to do what you're doing.
Oh, that's
I,
nice. See?
I
For
go
real.
through you, we watch the funeral with you, and all the things that we do. Let me
You
tell you
watch me
something.
talk about Rural Grave?
Let me tell you this. Let me
Hello.
tell you.
Oh, God.
Um,
Girl, get emotional. Roro, I'm
Don't
one
going
of
make
to
she
say
cry, now.
today.
Don't make she cry. Don't make she
one of
cry. Queenie,
don't
Man,
strong.
man,
keep
It's all
That's
right.
strong,
I'm
strong
going
keep
to
over
look for
strong.
there.
Rochelle today. I should
Remember, you
boost up
say
that.
you say woman power in
Let me tell
always.
let
Nobody
me tell
make
you
she
something. The Queenie, there's not a problem to be vulnerable and crying. Let me tell you something. You have a good heart. You love your kids,
God understand.
and God, there's nothing that you can tell nobody that God already know about you. One of
True.
the greatest thing is that you live in your life. Continue to live your life. People are gonna have negative things to say, but once you do what Queenie loves, and Queenie love to do what Queenie
Yeah,
loves,
but doing business
you
with
don't
them for
biz
sure.
you don't business with that soul. But guess what? Then all who
True.
hate you,
But
all who
doing
hate you
business with
still
the
watch
work.
you.
Well, I'm my friend over there, sir.
What's up?
I'm
You
going to look
always.
for Roro today.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
that's
A long time.
nice.
Listen. It's okay to cry.
Of course.
We're all human, and you love your children to death.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
That
listen,
do.
I
Queenie
use
need
a
to come to
woman
New York.
power
Where
in a
you're going
Queenie.
everywhere else on New
Queenie, I
York.
use a
Me
woman
not
power
get the
in
New
a.
York visa. New York not pay me no mind. America not pay me no mind. Me
Why you
so
say
rich,
that?
man.
Don't say that.
Come on, Queenie,
No, it's
come.
true.
You need to
You have
Me,
touch
to
down
bring your
in New
man.
York.
me
You
so
have to
You
touch
have to
down
bring
in
your
New
man.
York,
rich.
girl.
God on time. In due
Listen,
time, I'm gonna reach.
when you come, let me know. Come, I go there at the airport and wait for you.
Yes, God is
Great.
We have to,
Everybody we
we have to promote you big time over New York when you
Yo,
come in,
Queenie,
Queenie. So make me
true,
know.
man.
where
It's
you
gonna
may
be a
come from?
it's gonna be
I
a
mean,
motor kid when I reach New York.
Of
New
me
course.
I tell you,
York.
Yeah, good girl.
Very gangster
Me never
in
know.
New York.
This evening, me not go sleep tonight, for me never know who can talk to the queen.
Hey, I know you
that?
tell one. Hey, listen, I have a
Never know
friend.
who can talk to the queen. Trust me.
She's a nurse and she was down there in Jamaica and she took a picture with you.
Is it your family?
She named top. No, she's one of my coworkers. She named top ranking.
Okay.
I had
Big
judgment
up
like me,
top
no Queenie.
ranking.
Queenie.
All wanna get a picture with the queen at boss.
That me I say, I'm soon get mine.
Queenie.
Can't wait.
Queenie, you had judgment like me, you know. You had judgment like me, but that's why I love her so much, you know.
Is it
You
your
don't care.
judgment to
Hey,
come here?
hold on, let me tell you, let me give it. May I give you one piece side? You remember the voice note?
Eh?
You ever hear the voice note yet?
If I don't know what?
You ever hear the voice note of the pastor because it's other church sister?
The first across the church sister, I remember.
That was all me viral without people know the face.
Is it?
Yeah. Me see one.
The pastor cussing the church sister.
Want a supermarket?
Supermarket.
Is that
Want a
you?
drive-through?
So you so good eat?
Birds of a feather flock together.
Flock together, that's
Quack,
it.
quack.
All right, Queenie,
Queenie,
enjoy yourself. One more.
always a keep. One thing with your
Blessed love.
energy
Thank
strong.
you.
Take care.
Queen Wave. Big up your damn
Listen,
self. How your name again?
I have no idea.
I wish one of them are you, girl. What your name?
Me name normal boss.
So that's him. West. Where my name? West something another. West WEST. All right. Big up your damn self. Thank you for the motivational speech. So what's up, ladies and gentlemen? The queen is here.
So me just put my name right next to it. I say me normal boss. Normal underscore boss. You see me?
Yeah, monsieur.
Yeah.
Okay.
You soon come to New York, yeah. Don't worry yourself.
In
When
Jesus ready for me. Yeah.
See him so. I never know, so I never get you in a Queenie.
Yeah, man. I got on time, girl.
May I tell you, got
yes,
on
when
time,
the time
mama.
come, nothing can stop it, you know. And if I know
say.
your time, I know your road to walk on it, now go walk on it. For you
It's
to
true.
walk on it, no matter how long it take, you shall walk along the
Whoa, hey, Queenie!
Yeah,
Brah,
big
brah,
up on the
brah.
damn self. Which part in our world are there?
Me, there, New York, Queens.
Yeah, you in New York. I would
Yeah.
them over here as a negative, upper 7-star.
So not pay that no mind. When I pay that no mind, yeah, Queenie. Shadow with our bad self. Queenie always a keep me down like.
Yeah.
But they have down because my friend lost his mom. I'm going to see up online. I'm going to say, you know what? I'm going to go over upon Queenie because Queenie always a keep. Always.
You're going to kill him, ma'am. She died naturally. Not that it matter. You don't have to say it if you don't want to.
She was in a hospital. She was sick.
Yeah, you want to bless her up? You want to spend condolences?
Condolences. That's okay, Mama. She named Dan Dan. Nicholas.
Dan, R.I.P. May your soul.
May your soul rest in peace.
May your soul rest in peace, Dan Dan.
Yeah,
so I should I go back up?
Of course. But I can't wait for you to come to New York, because let me tell you something. Now, peer excitement, you know, Queenie. You have to make me know when you come across peer excitement.
Yeah, man, when it happened.
Thank you.
Big up yourself.
All right, take care. All right, Mama. Cool.
All right, and the summer look beautiful with me ear and leave me alone. I don't have no time for it. Don't be silly now, yeah? Just be nice. Sit tight and be nice. And enjoy the beautiful creed, okay? Alexa, can you play Double Tap by Queen Lady, Spotify?
Double Tap by Queen Lady Gangster from Spotify.
Thank God, at least you know me now. I want to answer now. Ponytail feature, thank you. Nice. Hi, Josephine. Okay. Add moderator, what's up? The artist oath. The artist oath alive. I've been waiting on you, Latus. Said the man I love to see a lot of that. They must say, he coming like a so what's up. When you see my picture, they might have it. They will talk. I said, they might have it. Hey,
Hey,
them on.
hey,
Hello,
mama,
Latus.
hold a sec, baby. Hold a sec. I need to use it last time.
What, Joan? Jonah. Nobody asks if it can't do the summer up cock. Hey, Alexa, stop, please. What?
So wait.
Hi, Latus! I got Latus! Whoa, the hottest horse alive, Ray! Ding Latus!
Well
Latus,
done, baby.
Kalalmouche! What's it there?
Mama,
Latus. What name? Come.
wow.
That's it. Wait, my soul said. Latus, Kamosh. So you said, I'm going to say it after.
On and terrific. Young and sexy. I am Kamala Latouche.
I am Kamala Latus. Kamala Latus.
All
That's
right,
such
so
a beautiful name.
guess
I
what,
love
Queenie?
that
We
name.
got something very special for everyone that is locked in. We're going to be talking about the punani. We're going to be talking about how to care the punani. And we've got the punani specialist, right?
Yeah.
Her name is Tamika. She's the CEO of RM Bath and Body. Look, I think she's supposed to send you a invite.
Minister, what's your name?
To check for me. I told her to send you an invite. So we're going to be talking about how the men can keep that erection, persons who are unable to climax, how they can climax. You got pills that you can take orally to keep the vajayjay tight. You know what I'm saying? So people can continuously have the hookah bit for the rest of their lives. So we're going to be talking about a lot of that. Yeah, we're going to be talking about the men who need an extra inch. We're going to be talking about the guys who they are unable to get it up. We're going to be talking about all of that. Yeah. We're going to be talking about, I'm trying to find her though. Tamika, if you are on the live, please send I'm not seeing her. I need to find her.
Ear cocky extension.
This person said they need the extra inch and it can't get up. Okay, OBK, we got, oh, here she is. She said, I'm here. Send her the invite now. There she is. Send her the invite now, Tamika.
What's her name?
RM Bath Body, second page. There it is. You see it?
I can't say that thing. Oh, yes, I'm here. Oh, I can't find her so weird. Oh, Jesus.
So ask to join the live, Tamika.
I'm gonna accept.
Ask to join the live.
Ooh! Cocky extension specialist, Tamika.
Hello, good night. What is it? Is it night over there or is it day over there? I don't know.
Girl power night in England.
Good
11
night.
o'clock in the night.
Good night.
Good night.
So what I would like you to do, I would like you to introduce yourself, Mama.
Sure. So hello everyone. My name is Tamika, but most people call me the Punani Fairy God